Nestled in the heart of Lincoln, Nebraska's prestigious country club neighborhood, 2627 Van Dorn Street is a captivating colonial-style residence that masterfully combines historic charm with modern comforts. Built in 1932, this elegant home offers 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms within its 2,408 square feet of meticulously maintained living space. Main level, inviting foyer. Upon entering, you're welcomed by a spacious foyer adorned with beautiful wood floors, setting the tone for the home's warm ambience. Living room. To the left, a generous living area features a charming fireplace, providing a cozy retreat for relaxation and gatherings. Formal dining room. To the right, the large formal dining room is perfect for hosting family dinners and entertaining guests. Gourmet Kitchen. The bright and updated kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances, ample cabinetry, and a layout designed for both functionality and style. Sunroom. A delightful sunroom offers a serene space to enjoy natural light throughout the year. Upper level. Primary suite. The expansive primary bedroom includes a private ensuite bathroom, providing a personal sanctuary. Additional bedrooms, 3 well-appointed bedrooms, and a versatile office/den share access to a full bathroom, accommodating family and guests comfortably. Lower level. Recreation room. The large basement features a recreation room, ideal for entertainment, hobbies, or a home gym. Storage. Ample storage space ensures all your belongings are neatly organized. Exterior. Detached garage. A 2-car detached garage offers convenient parking and additional storage options. Backyard oasis. The expansive backyard is perfect for outdoor activities, gardening, or simply unwinding in a private setting. Located near shopping, dining, and top-rated schools, 2627 Van Dorn Street provides the quintessential Lincoln living experience. Its blend of historic elegance and contemporary updates makes this property a true gem in the Lincoln, Nebraska real estate market.